Hey everyone, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? Okay guys, so you're welcome back to my channel and you're welcome back to today's video. Now in today's video I'm going to be showing you an amazing ingredient that would actually help you to remove bad breath. Oh my goodness. Now, have you actually been in a group of people where you're so scared to open up your mouth because you feel that you're going to offend the other people? I'm going to help you put a stop to that. And this is also going to help you for your tongue. Now, you know that when your tongue is actually not clean, it's actually going to affect your breath also. And when you are having a lot of tonsil stones, choked in there, it's going to affect your breath also. So this is what I'm going to show you how to get rid of them, and your mouth is going to begin to be fresh again. Alright, so let me take you right into this video. Do not forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe and share this video, and then let's go. Okay guys, so are you having bad breath, or your tongue is actually quite dirty that is actually making your mouth smell bad? And are you aware that your tonsil stones might be responsible for your bad breath? Okay, now if you don't know, tonsil stone is somewhere at the back of the throat, and this actually causes bad breath when it's actually too much. Okay, so sometimes you need to cough out like that while you're brushing your teeth or while you're giggling this that I'm going to be showing you, okay, so that you can avoid bad breath and remove dirty tongue. So this is salt, and the very first thing you should do very early in the morning if you're at the categories of people that have bad breaths is that you're going to grab a cup, and then you're going to grab warm water. Yeah. Now what you do is that you're going to be taking a pinch of this salt. Now be mindful that salt is a great bacteria killer, and it's also great for your gums. So it's actually great in killing those bacteria and keeping your mouth clean, and it also makes your breath smell really good. Okay, so you're going to be taking just a little of this, not too much, okay, so that it does not actually hurt your mouth or tooth enamel. Okay, so you just take a little, the one that can just kill all of the bacteria in your mouth, and you're going to be good to go. So after which you put the salt in the hot water, what you do is that you're going to be it just like I finish stirring this particular one, and after which you finish stirring this particular one, now what you do is that you put this in your mouth like this, yeah, and then you google it, and then you throw it away. Okay, so you google this in your mouth and let it go into your teeth. If you're having any cracked teeth or you're having some injury somewhere, okay, this is actually going to help you to heal your tongue, and is also going to help you to remove bacteria basically. So that's actually the very first step and the very first thing you should do every blessed morning. Okay, that is going to clear bad breath. Now let me show you the second thing that you're going to be doing. You're going to be needing this, and this is a glove. Okay, you can actually order glove online. It's actually very reachable. Okay, it's something that is used worldwide. Alright, so this is a glove, and this is a medicinal remedy that works so freaking much. Okay, so what you do now is that you're going to be putting this glove into a blender, and you're going to get some white alcohol. Okay, not spirits, just white alcohol. So I have a little here. You're going to put a little of that, yeah, into the glove. And then what you do is that the very next thing you're going to do is that you're gonna be grabbing your apple cider vinegar that contains the mother in it. Now for this particular one, you're not going to be putting too much, you're going to be putting just a little, okay, so that it could actually help to clean your teeth and make you know, have your mouth smelling really good. Okay, so what you do is that you're gonna be taking just half cup of this apple cider vinegar, half of this cup. So I just put half cup of it into the alcohol. This is literally going to be an effective remedy. Okay guys, so after that is done, then what you need to do now is to blend this whole thing together. Okay, so after blending this is how it's gonna be looking like, and you can actually, you know, sieve the chaff out. So you can actually make a whole lot of this and then you store it. Since there's alcohol in it, it's gonna stay a whole long time. Like it can literally stay as long as you want it to stay. Okay, so what you do is that you would have to make it and keep it, and then whenever you want to brush your teeth, you can use it to brush your teeth and use it to brush your tongue in a circular motion. You brush your tongue in a circular motion, and that's literally going to help you to make your teeth really strong, smell less, no odor, and your mouth is going to be fresh. Alright, so it's gonna help in making your mouth really fresh and your tongue really clean, and you're not gonna be having bad breath no more. So after which you've brushed your teeth with this, you can actually, you know, take a little, put it in your mouth, google it, and then you throw it away, you know, just once, and then you brush with it. Literally, like, trust me guys, when you do these two things, your mouth is never ever gonna smell and your tongue is gonna stay clean. But you have to brush it all. When you use this is literally gonna kill bacteria and germs and all of that, but you have to, you know, brush your mouth with this. Yeah, okay, so that's it. Brush just like I've shown you, you know, and use this to google your mouth, remove all of the germs and get a fresher breath. So go give this a try, and I'm sure you are going to be loving it real good. Alright, so that's it. If you do love this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share this video, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.